Okay, oil, check. Coolant, check. Fuel, check. Air, check. Exhaust, check. All right, welcome back to part 3. I have some people here working on their bikes, but yeah, frame is coated, done. Yeah, it turned out really well. It's all dried now, so now we're just gonna start putting back together the chassis and see where it goes from there. All right, we're for the most part almost reassembled. I got some people here, they're working on their bikes. So it's about time to put the motor back in. We've got, I think, the chassis pretty much put back together. We're not really gonna know what I missed until I start putting the motor back in. So should be fun, see how it goes. As you can see, the engine is in the bike. Yeah, I had to finagle a little bit to get it in there, but went ahead and hooked up the radiators and got those all plumbed in, got the electrical hooked up. So now just kind of finishing touches. I'm gonna put the wheels on, I'm gonna get the carburetor installed, and yeah, get this thing full of fluids and get it ready to go. But we're getting really close to getting ready to try and start this thing up. So let's get that going. We have carburetor installed, fuel tank is in, fuel is on. There's currently fuel in the carburetor, and I'm just gonna slap the muffler on really fast, forgot to do that, and then we will see if we can give this thing a start real quick, see if she'll start. Okay, so we got fuel, we got fluids, we got everything's hooked up. It's time to give her the first first start, see if she'll go. We'll give it a few kind of dead kicks, and then we'll try and see if we can get it to start. So it starts, and I am ecstatic because I bought this thing not knowing whether or not it was going to actually run, kind of on trusting that the dealership knew what they were doing. But hey, it runs. I'm going to go ahead and end the video there, start up the next part on the actual assembly of the bike and kind of putting on all the aftermarket parts. I'll go over kind of what those are and why I'm doing those. And yeah, super exciting. Stick around because that video will be coming out very soon. Yeah, with that said, follow, subscribe, depending on what platform you're on, and stick around because we're not done. We're still, once we finish this thing, we're taking it to the track, give it some test runs, take it to the mountains. We're gonna do all kinds of stuff. So we'll, yeah, see how it goes.